We had our first week of summer camps kick off this week, and we have a variety of enrichment camps, everything from sports. So we have flag football and soccer, all the way through coding and robotics, cooking, and even rock band camp.
Painting and stuff because I love art and that's one of my favorite things to do.
We're just gonna draw a smile.
How to chop up stuff without hurting yourself, and we learn how to grate stuff.
Yep, just like that, and stir it up.
Round Rock ISD offers these camps so that we can give students an opportunity to learn about different skills and passions and also explore new things over the summer.
It's really fun and you learn new things to do.
It's an opportunity to learn something new.
I picked it because I thought it would be a fun camp, and it is.
We have 3 weeks of camp in July at England and Pearson Ranch Middle School, so we're real excited about offering even more opportunities during that time. Registration is still open, and students can certainly, or parents can certainly get their kids registered for camp. We do have some wait lists on some of our camps, and so if you're interested in something, go ahead and get them signed up, and then if we have enough instructors, we'll add another section.